if you want to learn the fastest, easiest, most reliable way to attract high-end clients as an information marketer. Now, if you don't think you're an information marketer, I am going to debate that throughout this entire show and masterclass, because every business is an information marketing business. You may not sell information, like a dentist may not sell information like I do, like I'm a teacher and trainer, but a dentist utilizes information to put him or her in the position to get people into the dental chair for hygiene or for a root canal or a cleaning or whatever. Are you with me? So every business is an info marketing business. If you've ever sent an email to a prospect, you're an information marketer. If you have a website, you're an information marketer. If you've ever had a business card or a brochure, you are an information marketer. So as an information marketer, if you can accept that right here and right now, this training and masterclass is for you, because the only thing I will be selling is an assessment on how to get the ball rolling, an assessment that you can copy and borrow. Look, if you steal from one source, you're called a plagiarist. If you steal or borrow from many sources, you are called a researcher. Hey, it's Alex Mandossian here, and I'm glad you decided to watch this video. Now, please subscribe to this channel, because we have 3 new videos that come out every single week on ethical influence and sales and marketing. And make sure you click on the bell, because you'll get notified when the new videos come out. Make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I have something very special for you. All good wishes. I am a researcher and marketing therapist, and if you stay with me, we are going to focus on one thing, and these are the strategies for high profit certifications. Now, high profit is the modifier, because I don't know of a certification that's offered that's low profit. Certification is the highest profit type of training that I know of. Now, think of some certifications that you may or may not have. A high school diploma is a certification. If you went to private high school, well, that was high profit for the school. A university bachelor's degree, that's certified, right? That's a certification. You get a certificate. If you're a medical professional, it doesn't matter, in dentistry, in pediatrics, you could be a brain surgeon. You have a certificate, probably many. If you're a psychologist, psychiatrist, you have certified. You're board certified, right? So it's very high profit. You spent a lot of money to get that one certificate. And even though it's just a piece of paper, you spend a lot of money to get it. So if you offer a certification program, which anyone can do, any information marketer can do, and still feel good about it, then that will be a great way to attract high-end clients. And it could be the very first training or course you offer. You could offer it before any other how-to course. You don't have to lead up to it or earn the right. You can start with it. You can start high-end and then go low. All right, I'm going to prove my point. So here's the question. What is a certification training or certification trainings? Well, in the context of education, if you go to a 4 or 5 year college, that is your training, right? You have electives, you have core studies, and you probably have gone through multiple different types of syllabi or a syllabus that the instructors have given you, right? And then if you go to the next level, you have a master's degree or maybe a MBA, okay, master's in business and administration. And then a PhD, those are 3 certifications, bachelor's, master's, and then PhD, right? So that's what a certification training is, all that school that you went through. But it doesn't just limit itself to academics. If you're part of a trade association, you can get certified. And that training process can take 3 months. It can take a year. If you're getting certified with a driver's license, your license is a certification. It's your certificate. So if you ever get pulled over like I have, when the police officer says, "May I see your license?" that is my certificate. You may have not thought of that, but I'm telling you, everyone is certified at some level. Question number 2, why are certifications high profit? Now, you're probably certified at least with 1 or 2 certificates. If you have a birth certificate, you're certified. How? You were born. Your dad released you, whoever that your dad is, whether you know him or not, and your mother received you. And hopefully 40 weeks later, you came out head first. Otherwise, your mother would definitely remember you. And whether you remember your parents or not, or you have good relationship or not, you, in most cases, have a birth certificate of some kind. That is a certification. A passport is a certification, and it takes time, energy, and money to get certified, right? But what if you offered as an information marketer, as a service professional, as an entrepreneurial CEO? What if you had your own certification for others? Could you do it? Yes, you can. Would it be easy or hard? It could be easy or it could be hard. It's up to you. If you are a complicator, it's going to be hard. If you're a simplifier, like Steve Jobs was, it'll be a lot easier. Now, will it take work? Yes. But step by step, you can create a course, and all of the information is out there. You don't have to take a certification course on how to certify other people from me. Although I have one, you don't need to do that. It's all available in and on Google. Now, question number 3, how does a certification work step by step? Well, the first and most important step is someone who is interested in your certification. Now, we did a poll or a survey with my tribe. And the very first survey, the question asked, it was very simple: have you ever taken a certification course of any kind? Now, 72% of the people said yes, 28% said no. Now, when it comes to a certification course of a specific kind, to get higher level of status, then that's probably true. But whoever has a driver's license in that survey probably didn't think of it as a certification course. You know what the certification course is for a birth certificate? Well, you didn't even have to take the course. You just were kind of, incubating for 40 weeks with an umbilical cord, right? And then you were board certified the moment whoever cut your umbilical cord. If you're watching right now, everyone had an umbilical cord, right? If you have a belly button, that is the remnants of your certification. And I'm only half kidding. So we had 77% who said, 72% said yes, they have, and 28% said no. Okay, great. You're in the right place if you're watching. Now, then I asked, have you ever offered a certification course of any kind? Now, this is where you're offering someone else certification. 77% said no, like just the inverse, just the opposite of people taking certification. And 23% said yes. So less than a quarter of the people we surveyed have never offered certification. Now, this is a complete and utter shame because you are leaving money on the table as an entrepreneur. Now, then I asked, if you were certified, which of the topics would be most appealing to you if money and time were not an issue, right? So I wrote down 4 different topics. IT strategies certification, that's information technology. Conversion strategy certification. SEO, that's search engine optimization, strategy certification, or financial strategies certification. When you're certified or board certified by an organization or a group, then that means that you are interested in that topic. Well, here are the results. 3% of everyone we surveyed said they want to have an information technology strategy certificate. For SEO, search engine optimization, this was stunning to me. Only 6% said they would like an SEO strategy certificate, right? Where they could teach other people search engine optimization. And then for financial services, 28%, over a quarter, said, yeah, I would like a financial services strategy certification, not only for themselves, but probably to make money in teaching others. But 63% said they would like a conversion strategies certification status. Now, I'm going to make a confession. I teach conversion. So this group is biased, and that's what they wanted, but they haven't taken it from me. And we offer that. I'm the only one I know in the entrepreneurial CEO space that offers something like that. And it's not available for this masterclass, but nearly 2/3 of the people said that they would like a conversion strategies certification, which is great for you because everything that you do is about conversion. Think about it. You have suspects who haven't opted in or aren't on any kind of list of yours. They become prospects the moment they opt in or like you or start commenting with you. Then they become buyers or clients, customers, patients, members, students, whatever you call them. And then they become multi-buyers, right? So that's all about conversion. If you can learn how to do conversion better, you're going to be wealthier. How many times have you looked in the mirror and asked yourself, is this the best I can do? Like, is this what I'm going to be living into for the next 5 years, 10 years? Maybe you're in deep debt, or maybe you just came off of a terrible year. I have no idea. Maybe you had a great year. But have you ever looked in the mirror and say, God, I thought it was going to get better than this? Well, learning the game of conversion will make it better instantly. And it is a game. And I'm going to teach you how to play to win. Here's the key point. The key point for today, for this masterclass, is certifications of any kind are not how-to courses, okay? They are business opportunities. When you get a master's degree, that's a business opportunity, because if the criterion for someone accepting you for a job, okay, they're looking for a master's degree of some kind, well, that's making you eligible. If you're going to be working on someone's brain and you're going to be a brain surgeon, you better have a few certificates up on your wall, right? Otherwise, you're not board certified, and I wouldn't want you to work on my brain, right? I have enough problems working on my own brain, but I wouldn't want you to open me up and work on it because you're not certified. So it's not a how-to course. It is a business opportunity. Plastic surgery is a business. Dentistry is a business. Financial services is a business. When you become a certified public accountant, that's a certification. When you become an enrolled agent, which is someone who can do taxes in any state in the United States, okay, that's different than a CPA, but that's also a certification. So can you offer a certification course that is not a how-to course? Can you offer one in teaching people how to become you? Hey, it's Alex again, and thanks for watching this video. Now make sure to get that very special gift I promised you. I want you to grab your mobile phone and text the keyword you see on your screen, and text it to this phone number, 415-980-3555, and make sure you stick around for another video coming up.